Hey everybody, this is me. Before your class is about to start here on Thursday, so I record this earlier, and then I'll post it later. So it's a really timey-wimey sort of deal here. But this is the review that I won't have time to get to today in class. So you need to know the terms of office for members of the House and the Senate, um, and how many senators and representatives each state gets. Now, obviously, representation is based on population in the House, so I don't expect you to know how many representatives each state has, but you should know it's based on representation. You should know what apportionment is. Apportionment is the allocation of legislative seats. We'll be talking about that today. You should know who the majority leader is, not the person. I'm not going to ask you any names on this test, but what does the majority leader do? And we'll be talking about that today. You should know what a conference committee is. We're talking about that today. You should know what cloture means and what is a filibuster. You should know how the Speaker of the House gets their job. You should know what distributive policy is. These are all things we're talking about today. You should know the 24th Amendment, which banned the poll tax. You should know what an ideology is. This is something we didn't cover in class, but is on your study guide, so you need to make sure you look that up. You need to know what a subsidy is. You should know when the era of good feelings was, and we talked about that yesterday. You should know what a political party is, and we talked about that yesterday. You should know what happened to the Whig Party. You should know the temporary and permanent party organization. I told you how to tell the difference yesterday. You should know what a platform is. You should know what a mandate is. A mandate is when, well, it's on your study guide, you should know it, but a mandate is when politicians win an election and they think they've got a mandate or the will of the people behind them. You should know who's least likely to vote. It's young people. Sorry, young people. You should know what straight ticket voting is and ticket splitting voting is. You should know about the 15th Amendment. You should know what regulatory policy is. You should know that Congress is bicameral. You should know who are the national Republicans. You should know the motor voter law. You should know that the United States has a low voter turnout. You should know the 26th Amendment. You should know what lobbying is. You should know what an amicus curiae brief is. We're going to talk about that today. You should know what the free rider problem is. You should know what a political action committee is. You should know what lobbyists do. You should know the Apportionment Act of 1929, which we'll talk about today. You should talk about. You should know who the president pro tempore is. You should know what is the job of the Speaker of the House is. You should know what the trustee theory of representation is. You should know the different methods interest groups use. You should know what the job of the House Minority Leader is. You should know what the job of the whip is. And you should know what the filibuster is. There we go. I've just gone through everything. So I will post this for after class. So you'll have this study guide to prepare for class. So good luck. See you soon.